we are going to learn how to convert kilograms into grams. Kilograms into grams. We are studying about mass, and we will be learning how to change kilograms to grams. Kilograms to grams. Kilograms to grams. And in our last lesson, we said that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. 1,000 grams. This formula is this is what we are going to use in our lesson today. So I want you to write down 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 1,000 grams. So learners, let us do some exercises. Write down these exercises. Convert each of the following into grams. Example, convert or change each of the following into grams. Convert each of the following into grams. 1A, 2 kilograms. 1B, 3 kilograms. 1C, 5 kilograms. D, 7 kilograms. Then I have 2A, 14 kilograms. B, 2.5 kilograms. C, 3.5 kilograms. D, 4.25 kilograms. 4.25 kilograms. And number 3, A, we want to do quite a number of examples. 6.5 kilograms. B, 15.5 kilograms. C, 27.25 kilograms. D, 32.25 kilograms. So let us work out this together. Let us work out together. These are examples. I want us to practice on how to convert kilograms to grams. Kilograms to grams. Answer. 1A, we are supposed to convert 2 kilograms to grams. We know 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So first we write 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore 2 kilograms will be equal to how many grams? So we'll take these two, take 2, then over 1, this 1, then multiply by 1,000 grams. 1,000 grams. And this, you see, will give us 2,000 grams. 2,000 grams. So 2 kilograms will be equal to 2,000 grams. Then B, you need to convert 3 kilograms to grams. 1 kilogram, we have said, is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore, 3 kilograms will be equal to 3 these 3, you can even write kilograms here, over 1 kilogram times 1000 grams times 1000 grams. So this gram cancels with this one, this kilogram, then we have 3 times 1000 grams. So this will be equal to 3000 grams. 3000 grams. 3000 grams. This cancels out with that. We have 3 times 1000 grams, giving us 3000 grams. Coming to C, 1C, 5 kilograms. 5 kilograms. We know 1 kilogram is equivalent of 1000 grams. Therefore 5 kilograms will be equal to 5 kilograms over 1 kilogram times 1000 grams. So this cancels out with that. Then we have 5 times 1000, giving us 5000 grams. 5000 grams. So learners, you see, I have to bend. If I'm to write here, I have to bend. That is why there is a Swahili saying that mtakacha mvunguni lazima ainame. Mvunguni is below. If I want to write here, I need to bend. So learners, the answer here is 5000 grams.